Hello, Katiuska. This is Charles from Warley Digital. Um, we do website design, search engine optimization, and social media management. We help local businesses attract more clients organically. I took a look at your website. Thank you for your message from on Alignable. I took a look at your website, and I have a few tips. I just wanted to talk about this and analyze your website. Now, obviously, I can tell this is, on Blogspot, it's a blog site. It would be more advantageous to you to have an actual website. And just FYI, this video is to help you optimize and get to the front of Google for different searches. I want to talk about three things. I want to talk about your content, citations, and backlinks. Content, citations, and backlinks. Now, let's say someone is searching for an architect in New York, because that's what I believe I've gotten that you do, architecture and construction. Statistics say about 90% of people looking for a local service like this will use Google. 70% will stay on this first page. So it's important to be on this first page of Google. Now back to your website. In fact, I want to grab one of your competitors. I saw these guys, NewYorkArchitects.com, and this is their website. So it is important to have a personalized website here. Another thing I want to mention about your website is that it is not secure. You should have a HTTPS, and that's a function of the platform that you're going to build, that you're building your website in. Google likes it, and let me take these guys as an example. Google likes it when you have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text content, meaning content that shows exactly what you do, who you are, the locations you work at, and etc. I know this is a blog, so it really you're not going to be picked up as much because you're not describing these things, so Google doesn't know you as a authority, as an architect in New York. So aside from 15,000 words, 1,500 words, 1,000 to 1,500 words, even what your pictures are saved as, like here, I know this is a competitor, but I just want to show you. Oh, that's a link. Okay, here, this picture saved as, you see it's saved as random letters and numbers. It's important to save your pictures as these keywords, architect New York, etc. But you have to also know the keywords and do keyword research. I have a tool called Ahrefs, and with Ahrefs you can analyze sites, you can analyze keywords. This one keyword, architect New York, gets about 300 people per month looking for that. So it's important. That's a huge amount of traffic. It's important to be on the front. And by domain, the traffic share, I'll show you your competition gets about 5 people from that one search. And if we go to your competition, let's overview their website. We can analyze their website. Well, you can see all the keywords that they're ranking for. New York architects, 90 people search for that per month, and they get 22 people because they're in the second position. So if we optimize your website and have it ranking for New York architects, you're going to steal some of this traffic. People will come to you instead. Here, architect New York, they get 15 people coming to them because they're in number 7. And if you notice, I'm picking the keywords with an actual location, because a lot of the time when people are searching for location based keywords, it's mostly buyer intent, meaning they're going to buy as soon as they find what they can, or what they're looking for, or at least they're going to interact with you. So that's enough for keywords. Well, just to add, what I would do is go on your competition, Find the good keywords they're ranking for and make sure they're on your website. Okay, now, second thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, when I did this search, Architect New York, you see this this area here. This is known as the map pack. And the way you rank over here is by having more citations. Citations are anywhere on the in the internet, any directories that your name, address, and phone number are cited. By directories, I mean Better Business Bureau, LinkedIn, Yelp, superpages.com, whitepages.com, yellowpages.com, etc. Dexnos, Yext, and many more. The more higher quality citations you have, the more you'll rank here. There are tools out there that you can look at your competition citations and make sure you have more than them or the same amount and higher quality. What I would do is have probably 50 or 100 more citations so that you can stay on the top of this area here. The third thing I want to talk about is backlinks. If you imagine the internet as a whole collection of web pages just linked together, a backlink is when a different site links to your website. Now, not all backlinks are the same. If it's another different architecture firm linking to you, that's a strong backlink in Google's eyes because you do the same business. But if there's a Pizza Hut linking to you, then Google sees that as spam because you're in a different business, nothing to do with each other. This same tool, I can analyze your website, and I saw that you don't have any backlinks, and you're only ranking for one organic keyword, and you're getting 0 traffic because you're in the 85th position. So let's go back to the backlinks. Sorry. Let's take a look at your competition. NewYorkArchitects.com, and you can see they have about 283,000 backlinks, but they only come from 298 domains. So in my head, I think that a lot of them must be spammy. And that's true. From the rating from 0 to 100, a lot of them are low quality backlinks. So it's important to come see all these domains that your competition is getting backlinks from. You can see a lot of them are weird backlinks. This is a low quality backlink because it's some weird blog. Let's see what it is. Well, it's in the same niche, I guess, so it shouldn't be that low quality. Let's look at this one here. I don't know what this backlink is. You see, it's a weird backlink. So this doesn't count as much in Google's eyes. So again, it's a matter of going to your competition, looking at their backlinks and what domains they come from, and then beating them, getting better backlinks and higher quality backlinks. All right. So thank you, Katarchy. Thanks for your time. This was just a short, just a few tips. You can use these, give them to your website person or your SEO person, and have them start drawing you more traffic. If I was you, I'd create a whole new website so that it's not just a blog spot. I do website design. If you want to work with me, it'd be great. I can also, optimize your website. In fact, right now, depending on your needs, right now I'm running a sale. Here we go. 30% off a complete website build. If you just go to my website, you will find out more information. If not, if you don't want just a generic website and you want to customize it further, we can talk about that. Thank you very much, Katarchy. All the best, and I hope this helps. Thank you.